Magnets and magnetism. Magnets and magnetism is a fascinating science concept for kids that explains how magnets can pull certain objects towards them or push them away, and how invisible forces called magnetic fields make this happen. What are magnets? Magnets are special objects that can attract, that is, pull, or repel, that is, push certain metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt. Magnets have two ends called poles, a north pole and a south pole. Opposite poles, that is, north and south, attract each other like best friends coming together. The same poles, that is, north and north, or south and south, repel each other, meaning they push away from each other. What is magnetism? Magnetism is the invisible force that magnets use to attract or repel objects. It's like an invisible field around the magnet that can pull metal objects or push other magnets away. Inside magnets, tiny particles called electrons spin, creating many little magnetic forces that add up to make the whole magnet work. This invisible area is called a magnetic field. You can imagine it like the magnet's special power zone that reaches out to other magnetic materials or magnets. The earth itself is a giant magnet, which is why compasses work. The compass needle lines up with Earth's magnetic field and points north. This invisible magnetic force is what makes magnets useful for many things like sticking notes on the fridge, helping compasses point north, or making electric motors work. How magnets attract or repel. When a magnetic object gets close to the magnet, the magnetic field pulls it in if it's made of magnetic material. If you bring two magnets close, their poles decide if they will stick together, that is, attract, or push apart, that is, repel. Did you know if you break a magnet in half, you don't get one north pole and one south pole separately. Instead, you get two smaller magnets, and each piece still has its own north and south pole. So, a magnet always has both poles no matter how small it gets. This surprising fact shows how magnets are always magnetic all the way through. Fun with magnets for kids. Here are a few more fun and simple magnet experiments for kids to enjoy. Magnetic sorting game. Gather a mix of objects like paper clips, coins, plastic toys, keys, and buttons. Give the child a magnet and have them sort the items into magnetic and non-magnetic piles. This helps kids understand which materials magnets attract. Floating paper clip. Fill a bowl with water. Carefully place a piece of tissue paper on the water surface. Place a paper clip on the tissue. Then gently push the tissue aside so the paper clip floats. Bring a magnet near the floating paper clip and watch it move without touching the water. This shows magnetic force can act through water and air. Magnet and compass. Use a small compass and bring a magnet nearby. Watch how the compass needle moves because it reacts to the magnet's magnetic field. This experiment introduces Earth's magnetism and navigation basics. Make a magnetic train. Attach a magnet to a small toy train or car. Place metal objects like paper clips on the track. Use another magnet to push or pull the train along the track without touching it. This shows magnetism can be used to move objects remotely. These activities bring magnet concepts to life, helping kids visualize and understand invisible magnetic forces through hands on play. What kids learn: magnets attract some metals and not others. How magnetic forces work to pull metal objects. The idea of attraction and repulsion with magnets. This simple experiment is safe, exciting, and interactive, helping kids explore magnetic forces hands on with everyday items.